Eclipse is formed when the sunlight is blocked by the heavenly bodies from one another. There are two types of solar and lunar eclipses. Lunar eclipse. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, earth casts showdown on the face of the moon. This dark shadow is called lunar eclipse. Let us demonstrate at home. Take two balls, one is small and other is big. Hang the two balls using the thread as shown here. Light the torch on the balls. This is called lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs only on a full moon night. When the earth covers the moon only partially, then we have partial lunar eclipse. When the earth's shadow covers the complete disk of the moon, we cannot see the moon at all, and it is called total lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse can be seen for a short time. Once the moon moves out of the shadow of the earth, it starts receiving the sunlight and can be seen once again. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is formed when the moon comes in between the sun and the earth. The moon's shadow falls on the surface of earth. If only part of it is visible, it is called a partial solar eclipse. It occurs on a new moon day. If the sun cannot be seen at all, it is called total solar eclipse. Let us demonstrate at home. Take two balls, one is small and other is big. Hang the two balls using the thread as shown here. Light the torch on the balls. This is called solar eclipse.